Hey y'all, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite things, bringing the beauty of nature into our homes, even if we're short on space. We're talking about the best flowers for small spaces, perfect for sprucing up a charming balcony or transforming your terrace into a little slice of paradise. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, adding a touch of green can make all the difference. It's amazing how a few colorful blooms can brighten your day and make your little corner feel like a true retreat. So, grab a glass of sweet tea, settle in, and let's get inspired to create some beautiful blooming spaces. Stay tuned for some flower power. First up, we're talking petunias. Now these beauties are a classic for a reason, y'all. They're just so easy to fall in love with. Petunias are like little bursts of sunshine, blooming in a rainbow of colors from soft pinks and purples to vibrant oranges and reds. And the best part, they're incredibly low maintenance. Just give them plenty of sunshine and a little bit of water, and they'll reward you with an abundance of blooms all season long. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony, greeted by a cascade of colorful petunias tumbling over the railing. Talk about a cheerful way to start your day. You can find petunias in all sorts of varieties, from the classic grandiflora with its large showy blooms to the more delicate milliflora, perfect for smaller pots and hanging baskets. No matter what your style is, there's a petunia out there for you. They're like little pieces of art you can grow yourself. So if you're looking for a flower that's as beautiful as it is easy to care for, look no further than the charming petunia. Next up, let's talk about another favorite, geraniums. Now these beauties are known for their vibrant colors and their ability to stand up to the heat. Geraniums are like that friend who always looks effortlessly put together, you know? They just bring a touch of elegance and charm wherever they go. You'll find them in shades of red, pink, white, and even salmon, with those gorgeous lush leaves that add a touch of texture to your space. Now, geraniums are real troopers. They don't mind a little bit of sun, and they can even handle a bit of dryness, making them perfect for those of us who might forget to water our plants every now and then. Imagine a cluster of bright red geraniums against a rustic brick wall on your terrace. It's like a little slice of the Mediterranean right in your own backyard. And don't forget about their lovely scent. Some varieties even have a light, citrusy aroma that's simply divine. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance flower that's big on color and charm, geraniums are the way to go. Chapter 3. Marigolds, Sunshine and Pest Control. Now let's talk about a flower that's as practical as it is pretty, marigolds. These sunny blooms are like little rays of sunshine, brightening up any space they grace. Marigolds come in warm shades of yellow, orange, and gold, and they have this wonderful, cheerful energy about them. They're like a warm hug on a cloudy day. But here's the secret weapon of marigolds. They're natural pest repellents. That's right, these beauties not only look good, but they also help keep those pesky bugs away from your other plants. Imagine a row of bright yellow marigolds lining your balcony railing, their cheerful blooms keeping your space pest-free and full of life. Marigolds are also incredibly easy to grow from seed, so they're perfect for beginner gardeners. Just sprinkle some seeds in a pot or container, give them some sunshine and water, and watch them thrive. And the best part? Marigolds attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, which help pollinate your other plants. It's a win-win. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance flower that's both beautiful and beneficial, marigolds are the perfect choice. They're like little rays of sunshine that keep on giving. Chapter 4. Begonias' Shade-Loving Elegance. Let's talk about a flower that thrives in a little bit of shade, begonias. Now, these beauties are perfect for those balconies or terraces that don't get a ton of direct sunlight. Begonias are like the jewels of the shade garden with their stunning foliage and delicate blooms. You'll find begonias in a variety of colors, from deep reds and pinks to vibrant oranges and yellows. And their leaves. Oh, their leaves are just as stunning, with intricate patterns and textures that add a touch of elegance to any space. Imagine a cluster of pink begonias nestled among ferns and hostas, creating a cool and inviting oasis on your shaded balcony. It's like stepping into a secret garden right outside your door. Begonias prefer moist, well-drained soil and indirect sunlight, making them perfect for those shady spots in your garden. And they're surprisingly low maintenance too. And here's a little secret: begonias are also great air purifiers. They help remove toxins from the air, making your home a healthier and happier place to be. So if you're looking for a shade-loving flower that's both beautiful and beneficial, look no further than the elegant begonia. It's like a breath of fresh air for your home. Chapter 5. Lavender, Fragrance and Tranquility. Finally, let's talk about a flower that engages all the senses: lavender. Now, who can resist the calming aroma and the soft purple hues of this beloved herb? Lavender is like a mini spa day for your senses. It's not just a flower, it's an experience. Just imagine stepping out onto your balcony, a gentle breeze carrying the sweet scent of lavender through the air. It's enough to melt away the stress of the day. And lavender is not just a pretty face, it's also incredibly versatile. You can dry the flowers and use them in potpourri or sachets to freshen up your home. Picture a cluster of lavender plants on your terrace, their silvery green foliage and delicate purple blooms swaying gently in the breeze. It's like a little slice of Provence right outside your door. And don't forget about the pollinators. Lavender attracts bees and butterflies, adding a touch of life and movement to your small space. So, if you're looking for a fragrant and low-maintenance flower that evokes feelings of peace and tranquility, lavender is the perfect choice. Well y'all, there you have it. 5 of the best flowers to add a touch of life and color to your small spaces. Remember, you don't need a big backyard to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor oasis. A few well-chosen plants can transform even the smallest balcony or terrace into a personal retreat. I hope this video has inspired you to get out there and get your hands dirty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy planting!